Welcome to the Food Danger, where food is fast, fun, and absolutely delicious. I have a very interesting recipe for you tonight. It's easy and delicious chicken potatoes. Okay, all you need is 6 potatoes. You need 2 chicken breasts. You need garlic. You need ginger. You need 1 onion bulb. You need half cup of cheese. You need half cup of Alfredo sauce. You need 2 tablespoons of butter, unsalted butter. You need 2 cubes of Maggi seasoning. You need curry powder. You need half cup of crayfish. You need like 1 tablespoon of thyme, 1 tablespoon of pepper, a little bit of salt to taste, of course, and 1 tablespoon of parsley. So this is everything you need for your easy and delicious chicken potatoes. Let me go ahead and start with this cooking. So guys, I have 2 chicken breasts here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut this chicken breast for our easy potato dinner. Okay, I'll go ahead and feel free to cut it into whatever size you want. So I cut the first chicken breast. I'm gonna cut the second one now, and we're gonna go from there. So while I turned the camera off, on pause, I grated the ginger and garlic. So that's the ginger and garlic over there. I'm gonna cut onion. Okay, so there we go. I'm gonna go ahead and add my butter. I'm adding everything, all 2 tablespoons. Add my onion. So there you go. Added onions. So now I'm going to add just a little bit of salt. Please always add salt to taste. Okay. I have the thyme. I have the curry powder, and I'm going to stir. Add the chicken breast, add a little bit of Maggi, a little bit of pepper, you stir it, and then you let it cook. Now we're going to add the ginger and garlic. So there you go. Let it cook. While that is cooking, we're going to go ahead and cut the potatoes. So before you cut the potatoes, please make sure you peel the potatoes, wash it, and then boil it in a pot. Boil it in a pot with a little bit of salt for like 10 minutes. Okay, don't cook it all the way. Just boil it for like 10 minutes. Then it's ready. So now I'm gonna cut it. So guys, as you can see, the chicken is ready. So I'm going to put this aside. Then we're going to cook the potatoes. So this is what you want. So before I go, let me show you. So I already cut the potatoes. These are the sizes. Okay, not too small and not too big. So that's what it looks like. Add the potato in the pot. You go in with your chicken. So now you can add a little bit of water and let it cook. Let it cook for another 10 minutes. Okay. Stir it. So it is boiling. So we go ahead and add the crayfish. You cover it. Let it boil for another 5 minutes. I'm going to add my Alfredo sauce. So add this and let it boil. Feel free to use more sauce if you want. At the end of the day, we want it to be very creamy. So I'm gonna go ahead and add another half cup. And I'll cover this and let it cook. While I do that, you add the parsley and then you turn, and then it's ready to serve. So here you have it. After dishing out, the very last thing you add is the cheese. So there you go. You have your delicious and very easy potato. So you kind of stir the cheese into everything. The heat from the food is going to melt the cheese. So there you go. You have your creamy, easy to make chicken and potatoes. Okay. Look at that cheese. So there you go. Very easy to make. Okay, until next time guys, please like and subscribe, share this video, make this recipe, and let me know what you think in the comment section below. Thank you. Bye bye.